Let's study how to install the cutter and probe to M2Tank CNC key cutting machine. First of all, connect the machine by Bluetooth. Green color means Bluetooth connection is okay. Click Device Information. Click a cutting set. Click More Options. Here we select the cutter to point 0. Click OK. Here it shows the cutter has to be inserted onto the top. And find the cutter to point 0. Insert the cutter onto the top. Pay attention. 2 pieces of screws. And then get the probe 1.0. In the same way, insert it onto the top. We can see the cutter is low and the probe is high. Click OK. Application says let the probe touch the clamp. Loosen the screw and pull the probe till touching the clamp. And click OK. At last, click OK. Installation of cutter and probe is finished. Click Back. Current cutter is 2.0 millimeters.